Hello guys, today we are going to start Facebook ads, or you can call Meta or Instagram ads. This is our lecture 5, proceeding to the lecture 4. If you haven't watched the lecture 4, uh, I thought it might be difficult. I think it might be difficult for you guys to understand this lecture. So, if you haven't watched our lecture 4, please go to my channel and watch the lecture 4 and understand the concept of Meta Business Suite, how to create an account, how to link Instagram, and how to keep an eye on other businesses. This is very important. And before starting, let's assume you have created all the Facebook Meta Business assets and the related stuff, and you have your ad account ready. So one thing here, this is my supplement for life, the account, which or I can take this Istelina as well to launch with the Facebook ads. So just to make sure that it has Instagram link, and we need to add another asset, that is uh, this ad account. Let's see if it is connected with the Istelina page. So here it is. So I can start with any account I would like to, and first of all, we will after selecting this, we will go to the Ads Manager account, Facebook Ads Manager. Remember one thing, that all those icons with this box will open another link, but with the those tabs which don't have that icon will open in the same window. Let's say this is our it's asking that turn off the ad blocker. Okay, here it is, and pause on all, pause on this side. Okay, so this is my ad account ending with the 87. Make sure that you select the appropriate ad account. So already I have these campaigns which were previously running. So I will directly hit to the create campaign. Remember, simple boosting is not the advanced kind of option. So first of all, when you are about to start with a new brand, always go with the awareness, because you have to promote the brand awareness first. Then if you would like, you can go for the traffic, because in the traffic you are covered with the link clicks, landing page views, messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp calls, Instagram followers, and all that stuff. And you can also go with the engagement. In the leads, you can, it is best when you have to collect the leads for example, beauty clinic, real estate, or any other law firm or accountancy firm, where people fill out the form and fill the information, and then they submit that information to you, and then you arrange a call for them. You call them back telling them that you had filled this form, and you are interested in this services, and we are ready to serve you. This kind of leads ad are appropriate for the businesses who demand a big transaction, or who demand explanation before selling to the customer. App promotion is for the apps, and sale is the direct, like where we have to directly sell to the customer. It is, this one is on the top of the funnel, and this is on the middle of the funnel, and this is the sales is towards the bottom of the funnel. So top of the funnel is always the cold audience, middle is the hot, and the bottom is always the filtered out audience, which is super hot audience. So let's say in my case, I would like to go with the awareness. So continue. Here it is. Don't select this no special ad categories. We are not going for that. We will be using the bidding type auction, and campaign objective we have already selected. If you want to change it, you can change it. I would like to rename it new AW campaign from a page supplyful for life, and for my it could be like minimum try to run for the 7 day, and at the minimum $1 a day. $1. Let's do it $2. $2 $2 per day. This is don't turn this on if you are about to test two different creative or two different campaigns. Then you can perform the A/B test. And in the show more option, spending limit you can set here if you are not going to give the end date. And this is the advantage campaign. Don't turn this on. If you have multiple campaigns, then it will do so. So let's move to the next. Now this awareness, we have goal here: maximize the number of impressions, maximize ad recall lift, and you can maximize through play views, 2-second continuous video views, whatever you have. If you have video, then you go for that. And this is ad set 1. Ad set 1. I can create 2 ad sets and 3 different ads in that. I will change my page, like this was only full limit for life. And this, if I want to control the bid, I can put the option here. This is very important. Default 1 impression every 7 days. Look, you can change it to like any option you want to. 2 impression, 3 impression, whatever you want to. Normally, I would suggest keep it to 1 impression after 7 day or 3 day, whatever you want to keep. Like you can cap this frequency, and if you are doing different kind of like dynamic creative, go with the dynamic creative. Combination is optimized for the audience, and currently I'm keeping it simple. This is daily budget. Look, there is 2 different options for daily budget. If you set it daily budget, then it will spend in 24 hours this full amount. And if you select lifetime budget, then it will go for the optimal. It will look for the optimal times. And in more options, you can control the schedule as well. Like if you keep it for the lifetime, you can viewer's time zone. Like if your viewer is waking up at 9 a.m. Every day, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. then you select this. Only you will be charged when your audience is looking at the ad. But if your audience is in different time zones, then you can select with the daily budget. If your audience is night owl, like you are selling a product which is related to the people working at the night, then you can go for that option. You can select your location here. whole UAE, age 16, age not going to make the decision for themselves, 26 to 27 and above, all gender, all demographics. I can select the interest here, like I can select engage shoppers who already engaged with the uh, whose behavior, like here it is engage shoppers. Look, its size is 81.56. Okay, it's good. No, sorry, not engagement value. Engage shopper, shopper, and I can also select people who prefer high value goods in UAE. Okay, and if I want to exclude something, I can do that as well. Look, my reach is now 3.k to 8.8k, and my RDF size is above 2 million, and which is very appropriate. Don't keep less than that. If we go select to, like if I do it to female, then it might ask me that it is very specific. Not yet, but if I narrow down it, narrow it to uh, like fitness, who are looking for fitness only, physical fitness, then it is narrowed down. Audience size, look, it is decreased to 133.60. No, don't do that. Your ad spend will be high and you might get very low results at the beginning. And I would recommend that at the beginning, when your objective is awareness, don't select any option. Go with the open targeting. Let the Facebook learn what you are about to, what kind of people like your product. You see, let's go to that. Then, oh, let me check the budget. So let's start it tomorrow, 30th. It will be fine. Uh, Lifetime budget is too high. Lifetime budget should be end date August. I want to keep it to 77 days. So 7 days are here, and sorry, minimum budget is let's say 4,500, approximately $2 a day. Look, reach is increased, estimated audience size 12k. Mm, Boom. We are not going to do with any of these things. Next, here is my awareness ad set one. Add one. Add one. Like I can select here Instagram account. Previously we had it. This is supplement for life. It is showing multiple accounts because in this Meta business account I have multiple accounts. Now let's say create an ad, or if I want to select a previously added post, I can select that post here as well. And uh, this is multi-advertiser. Carousel, I can select carousel, single image or collection, whatever you like. And this is like not the appropriate media. I'm going to add an image. Let's say, let's upload it. Oh, let's say this is our image. Here it is. We can select the sizes here. Try using that recommended size. If we will go with the recommended size, then our ad will be improved. We will have a better results. So we can select here primary text. Primary text. Here you can see in the preview what is being typed. We can select here our destination, add text option, any other option. If I want to write short headline, we can give a call to action, listen now, send message, whatever you want to add. You can add a call to action, and if you are doing real estate, then you can go and select design your form from here. And if you want to learn that, just write me in the comments, and I will do so. If you want to take those messages on WhatsApp, go and select the WhatsApp. And this is the pixel I have to select. This pixel is very important because it is recording the events. So here I am recording. I have to configure the pixel, whatever I have created. So I can select the URL parameters from here as well. And if all set, I can go with the saying that you have not connected your WhatsApp. Okay, let's go to the instant experience. Now my whole ad is ready, and just I have to select the publish, and it will publish my ad. If you have any question, write me here. I can give you the training on the different kind of industries, different kind of niches. If you have any question, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe to my channel